Nuclear import and export can be directly visualized in living cells that express the green fluorescent protein GFP fused to the gene regulatory protein NFAT. NFAT is normally localized in the cytosol and excluded from the nucleus. But when the cytosolic calcium concentration is raised, NFAT migrates to the nucleus. This is done here experimentally by adding an ionophore that allows calcium to enter the cells from the medium. Upon removal of the ionophore, calcium levels return to normal, and NFAT is exported from the nucleus. Re-addition of the ionophore triggers re-import of NFAT.